Single stitch crochet 7 different ways.
If you are new to crochet and you know only one stitch, which will be single stitch, I want to show you variation of those stitches if you're interested. This is the single stitch in rows where you're making loops through both loops. This one is when you're making only in the back loop. This one is when you're making in the front loop. This one is when you're making a stitch in the back bump only. You have this nice edge. This one is when you're making stitch in the back bump and front loop. This one is when you're making stitch through all the loops. And lastly, I want to show you this one, which it's making front and back post single crochet stitches. This is how it looks on one side, and that's how it looks on the other side. Thank you and happy crocheting!